Selecting a password is not an easy, especially when you have to do it on regular basis. For most of the accounts, the password policy enforces you to change the password every month or every 3 months. Initially, it is easy, but then it becomes really hard to change the password randomly. One of the coolest tips is to use a phrase, a task, goal, resolution, promise, or desire to use a random password. This password would not only allow you to have many choices in terms of your password, but also enable you to have a secure and easy password to remember. Because we want a password which would not only be safe but also be memorable at the same time. Let me show you few examples which you can use. For example, you can just express any desire like I want to be a singer in 3 years. So it has alphanumeric characters in lower and upper case, and then it also have a number. But the second one appeals more because it not only shows the goal, a short-term goal, but also alphanumeric character, then at sign, and then some numbers, and then again some lower characters. So it is quite long, it is quite secure, plus it is also easily memorable. And to put the icing on the cake, y- when you will be typing it multiple times a day, you will not forget it. So I believe that this really helps in having a safest and memorable password. If you want to say anything, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.